To change the battery in your Scantronic 9651 alarm, you first need to remove the cover of your main alarm panel by unscrewing the 2 screws on the front of the panel. The alarm will then sound. To silence the alarm, enter your 4-digit user code. With the panel now open, locate the battery and remove the 2 terminals, red and black, making sure these don't touch, and removing and replacing the battery. Please note, there is live 240 volt power in the transformer, so please be careful and make sure you don't touch this. Also, please make sure you don't knock any other wires in the panel, as these may cause the alarm to stop working. Now, replace the lid, making sure you replace the screws firmly. Please note, to reset the alarm, an engineer reset is required, meaning that you need to book in an engineer to visit you and reset the system.